welcome back to another video. Today we're on our way to Tumpak Sewu. I think it might be one of the biggest waterfalls in Indonesia, but I might be wrong. The journey from our hotel, which is in Malang, was about 2 hours. And we finally made it, so we're just getting our things ready and we're waiting to meet our guide as well. So I think we've got like a 500-meter walk. I'm not entirely sure though, but on the booking website it said around 50 minutes down, and then it's like an hour and a half back up. If I sound a little bit tired, it's because I am. We did Mount Bromo yesterday, and it was like a 12-13 hour day on like 3 hours sleep. So we're quite tired today. Also, the drive this morning was quite rough. It was 2 hours, but it was very windy roads and they drive quite confidently here. Okay, so it's 100 meters to the panorama view of the waterfall, and then it's 400 meters down to the actual waterfall, which is where we're heading now. So the guide was saying that the waterfall comes from Mount Sewu. I don't know if I'm saying that right. This is crazy. It doesn't show you how steep it is. I was also wrong earlier. I said I thought it was the biggest waterfall in Indonesia, but it's the biggest waterfall in Java. So the one thing I didn't realise coming to this waterfall is that you will be hiking up and down actual waterfalls, and I don't have proper shoes, so I'm currently barefoot. So in the itinerary of the booking they recommend mountain sandals, which I think they mean like shoes like Tiva or I don't know, something like that. I've got Birkenstocks. They're not great. When they're wet and slippy, it's not very good, and I find just being barefoot is a lot safer. I don't think we're far now, but you can definitely feel and see the sprays of the waterfall. This is pretty amazing, actually. I thought after Bromo yesterday nothing could top it, but this is still quite spectacular. We made it. Oh my god, it's insane. Close to the waterfall and it was crazy. It was so strong. I'm absolutely soaked, and we got some cool pictures, and if I'm able to I'll put them on the screen. mini photo shoot in waterfall and this pool that they've made. It was really fun. I went for a little swim and it was really nice and refreshing. We made it, we survived the waterfalls. It's quite steep going back up, but it was really cool. You're literally walking through waterfalls. It's crazy, it's really, really cool.
It's way more treacherous than we expected.
Yeah, and it's really slippy too, so you've got to be careful. I would really invest in some Tivas if you've got some. I wish I had some, because I was just barefoot the whole time. Yeah, it was great, I loved it. Made it back to our hotel, very knackered. Another 2 hours back to our hotel. We're gonna order some food and I think we're gonna crash. We're so tired. But if you enjoyed this video, then give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching if you got this far. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day.